exactly how you can label your chats on WhatsApp and be able to organize them and group them well, so that when you are as a business, when your potential customers make inquiries and you want to do follow up, you'll be able to follow up those that are most important to you and convert them as soon as possible into paying clients. So this is how to do it. Now when you look at here, you see that I have some of them labeled as online course, and if you go you have something like website SEO and all of that. Now, so this is what I did. I have so many different options for my business. So if I did not label them, the charts I have are so many that it would be difficult to know who I want to follow up. So let me show you an example. I have those that are contacting me for Facebook ads, those that I used to send them motivational quotes, those that have paid, those that have attended, or those that have patronized our services, those that I want to follow up, which I labeled as important, those that I was having certain program, how to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month, international client, online course. Then I wrote an AI book, AI Money Mastery, and I have a AI video course. So all these, how do I know when I'm following up later that this particular person contacted for that? So in order to be able to do that simply or easily, I did it this way. So when you come to WhatsApp, every contact, okay, when you go to the top right hand corner, you see 3 dots. So when you tap on the 3 dot, you see list. So you go to the list. So the list, by default, WhatsApp would always bring some default options. So the default options, sometimes you may see something like paid, follow up, and something like that. So to be able to create your own new list or customize one, what you need to do is you can come and tap on new list, the plus, tap on the plus. It says you have created the maximum number of lists. So I have created a maximum number, but if you are creating a new one, just tap on the plus. When you tap on the plus, you'll be able to give a name to whatever you want to create. So for example, because I have already created a maximum number, I want to edit one so that you see how it is. So you tap on I want to edit one. So if you come and then you scroll at the top, you will see something like what I'm seeing, from unread to favorite to group and all of that. So I have many of them here. So I want to just edit the website on. So you see, so when you tap on the 3 dots, okay, and tap on the list, now when you come, select the list that you want to edit. So for example, let's say I want to edit the website or SEO. So you come here and tap on the edit. Okay, so you can edit the color. Okay, you can edit the color. You can choose the color you want it to represent the website or SEO. You see that? You can change it. Then if you want to change the name too, you can change it. So you change it the way you want it. After that, so you can use the same process. Always tap on the plus to create and name it, and then put whatever color you want. After you do all of that, then you can come. You see, every chat that comes, you can label it. So I want to label this and this as website. So after you tap and hold it, you come and click on this symbol and go to the label you want to add to them. So you see it has been labeled, so that when I'm following up only those who opted for website, I will just scroll here and go to I'll go to website. You see, so everything I see here is those that requested for website, so that it is easy to follow up. So for example, let's say I want to go to those that are important. So I'll scroll here and go to important, and then just open any of the charts that are labeled as important, and I can see everything. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.